Hello friends. Let us talk about the viral infections because nowadays you have been noticing at various social media and media platform about the coronavirus disease, that is COVID-19, and it is a very difficult disease obviously. The official name of this virus is SARS-CoV-2, means severe acute respiratory syndrome, COVID-2. It is a virus of the group of coronavirus, which accounts of almost 20% of respiratory illnesses, influenza-like illnesses. Now let us talk about the viral illnesses. You know that the majority of viral illnesses that we actually encounter, they are not so dreaded because here in coronavirus we have been noticing the death rate right from 3% to 10%, I mean even 15% in some countries. So it seems that this virus is somehow difficult in terms of the severity and virulence. And now what to do actually, as you may be aware that the virus is new to the world, so still no vaccine has been invented, and tried everything, right from vaccination to the passive immunity like plasma therapy and the development of the drugs. They are all under clinical, different type of the clinical phases. Now the most important thing regarding the checking of this virus, that first to develop the individual immunity, so that the symptoms of the disease, that nowadays in majority of the cases they are mild, but at least if such type of disease occurs in our body, so that we may not go into the severe form of the disease. The second thing, let us wait to develop the herd immunity. The herd immunity is like that when majority of the people they are infected with the virus, then they again check the spread of the viruses. So there are two things that we can now do. Now the first thing regarding the immunity concept, what to do actually, let us have a very natural lifestyle. Take plenty of water, take plenty of salads and the vegetable type of diet, rather the live diet means that all the products of the diet that are directly derived from the plants, and they are not cooked, half cooked or full cooked, and not fried like that. So this is the first thing that we can do. Here we have noticed that there are certain type of herbs that can use them in several ways. uh, there is one important thing, that is the clove and basil, tulsi, and this is cardamom. So we can take these things in our tea, or just sip them by boiling in hot water. Now one more thing, that is the giloy. The Tinospora cordifolia is a very wonderful drug, along with Videnia somnifera, that is ashwagandha, that we can take as a preventive measure, because they are good as far as the checking of the viral infection is concerned. I have noticed at several occasions, because usually in India, particularly, there are two seasons where viral infections are in abundance. First is the autumn season, second one is the spring season. So we usually give the patients these two drugs like giloy and ashwagandha, and majority of the patients they just tell us that obviously they didn't get any type of viral infection, and if it occurs, then it is a very mild type of the infection. So our basic aim is to control the disease, means prevent the disease, and second thing is occurs, then we have the mild symptoms. Now apart from that, there are many other things that can be followed while this pandemic situation, that we just get our neighborhood aware about the fact that keep social distancing as well as physical distancing. Make your hands clean by washing them with the help of soap as well as alcohol. Use of hand sanitizers, wearing of the masks as well as the caps. So there are certain other things that can be adopted, but in my opinion, that these herbs that I have told you, you should use them in your day-to-day practice or day-to-day life. And I hope that this difficult situation of COVID will pass certainly, and hope for a healthier life. Thank you very much.